room tour of our Sky Suite on board the Celebrity Reflection. We're here celebrating our anniversary, so we spurred a little bit, got sweet. 2179 is the suite number, and I want you to come around. This is my first time coming in here too, so let's take a look around. So as we walk into the room, this is a very nice, spacious room. Very nice. You've got the bed that the couch that turns into the bed. You got a king size bed here already set up for us. And of course, you walk out into your private veranda. Look at this bad boy. Check that out. Very nice size veranda out here. We're still in Port Everglades right now. And then back in, we've got this part with the TV here. We've down here is our cooler with the complimentary beverages in it. With the Sky Suite booking, you do get the beverage package. You get the premium Wi-Fi package, premium beverage package, and you also get to eat at a specialty restaurant that's just for suite guests, which is included as well. So over here on the stand, actually, I don't see any power outlets here. Over here on the vanity, we do have a couple outlets, no USB. This is an older ship, so you got two of the 110 and two 212 and one 212. You also do get a complimentary champagne waiting for you in your room when you check in. And then over here by the nightstands, I don't see any power outlets over here at all. So it looks like you're kind of limited in the outlets you have available in this room. It's just the ones here on the vanity. So make sure you bring like one of those splitters, cruiser-proof splitter, not a surge protector. And then we have a bunch of storage down here, storage over here, and then we have the two closets here. So over in this closet, we got umbrellas. They've got umbrellas for you to use down there. It's pretty cool. I believe you can also request binoculars that are included. So if you want to look at something out off the deck, you just ask your concierge to bring you binoculars. And then this is another one. Got some slippers down there. Big mirror to get ready with. And then here is the bathroom. We've got a tub. It's gonna be great. Jordan's gonna love that. She loves tubs. And then we've got this nice like shower heads, the rainfall shower head up here, and then the wand, and then that. And this is really nice, especially for like an older ship. This is really nice. We got like the sink is pretty cool. And then there's the toilet here. So that's a really nice restroom. A lot of space in here again. So that's the tour of this room 2179 on the Celebrity Reflection, this Sky Class Suite. It's really nice. This is our first suite, and I'm really enjoying it. So like I said, we're celebrating our 20th wedding anniversary. So we splurged a little bit on this one, and I'm glad we did. This is a nice, there's a lot of room for activities. So anyway, the girls are out there, so I better get back to them. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to check out all the adventures that we get on this cruise. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Turn me to the better.